Hello, it's Steve. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to paint this wall. So if we just have a look over at it, believe it or not, this was painted last year and it's pretty good on the whole. However, there's some bits where the paint has just flaked off. The reason for that is I didn't prep it properly. So what I will do this time is do it properly. So before I even think about painting, I will be brushing the wall down, removing all loose bits of debris, and then I'll be using the proper paint, which here you can see is a masonry paint. That means for concrete or bricks. And it does say on how to prepare. So the surface to be painted should be clean and dry. It's dry, remove any loose materials and all that kind of stuff. So we're actually going to do it properly, remove all that and then paint it, and we should have a good finish. But it wasn't too bad a job last year, but it should look nice. So we'll just speed this up, do the prep and then do the painting. So here goes. So there you have it, wall painted. It's pretty simple, but doesn't really require any skill, just hard work. I will also do another video on how to clean a paintbrush, which will be a lot shorter than this. But I guess you get the satisfaction of watching me do some work. So, yeah. All that needs now is to put the finishing touches. There we go. Something else I made earlier.